northern Thailand. We've been on the train for a few hours now. I keep moving seats so I can get a better view. We passed Ayutthaya, which was the original capital of Thailand, and you could see the monkeys playing all over the ruins. It was really cool. And now we're just out in rice paddy land. You'll see shanties up on stilts, and then you'll see these very ornate, beautiful temples side by side. Abject poverty next to just absolutely beautiful things. One thing that is funny is that there are scarecrows in the rice paddy fields, which I never would have guessed would be there.